Alright, I'm going to talk about how you can add yes or no options to Excel. So here we just have a small list of questions, and in this column here we want to be able to answer yes or no. We don't want to leave any room for any other type of answer. So what we can do is select the range or the column or the number of cells where we want our yes or no options to be. We'll go up to the data ribbon here once we have those selected. Under Data Tools, look for this little icon, which is Data Validation. Go ahead and select that, and this little menu will pop up. Go ahead and select Settings, and then what you're going to want to allow is hit the drop down and select List. Now, this is going to create a list of what you can select in those particular cells. So in this case, we will type yes, comma, with no space, no. So we can enter as many options as we want here. You simply need to enter in the option, separate it by a comma, and then enter another option. So in this case, it's just yes or no. And then we'll go ahead and hit OK. And you'll see this little drop down arrow will appear in each one of these cells. Now, if I try to type maybe or an answer that's not yes or no, Excel won't let me do that. So if I hit the drop down, you'll notice I can only select the yes or no option. And there you have it. That's how you can create a yes or no option for a particular cell in Excel. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button. Thank you, and have such a great rest of your day.